Morning, everyone. This is Ganzhou in the early morning, with a beautiful sunrise gently lighting up the sky. The city is still quiet and peaceful, as most people are still asleep. I'm going to take a slow morning walk and explore a different side of the city. It's a perfect time to see Ganzhou in a more serene and relaxed way.
Now it's about 7 a.m. This is our hotel yesterday night. It's close to the Zhangjiang. Now it's very early, but many people have got up to go to work or practice. The weather here is quite nice. It's not cold, but it's cool. Okay, again, I come to the riverside. You can see in the river, there is one person swimming at this time. Wow. Many elder people are here to practice. This is a square for them to practice. One cleaner is working, other elder people are practicing or dancing. I'm back to the floating bridge on the Jiangxi River. Let's go to walk on the bridge to have a look. So early fishing. Now the sun is rising, very beautiful. Whoa! Successful fish. This is Zhangjiang North Street. Here are more local people. Almost all local people, no tourists. Because here are many old buildings and old streets. that is a floating bridge. I just work on it. Now you can see still many people are fishing on it and walking through. And there is a boat doing the canoeing for the river. Beautiful scenery. Okay, that bridge is Nanhe Bridge. Very busy now because now it's morning for working time. You can see on the water there is maybe a duck swimming or hunting. Okay, have a more close look. Have an overlook from the bridge. The city is waking up. We can hear and we can see. Very interesting and beautiful images. Okay, now it's on the bridge, Nanhe Bridge. It's very busy on the road now. Many motorcycles and vehicles. And the traffic policemen are keeping order. Here is a traffic jam now. Too many cars. Later I will walk back to my hotel from this Jiangxi Road. Now we have a look from here. It's quite busy now. It's a very normal working day. Every day, every working day should be like this, quite busy. Okay, this is Jiangxi Road. I'm walking back to our hotel. Some stores closed. Breakfast. I will eat some breakfast. Wow, very busy. What's this one? 老刘放心包子店. I will buy some 包子.
收款2元.
Very busy, you see. Okay, I bought 2 包子. This Jiangxi Road is not the main street. It's quiet. Very quiet. There is another breakfast store. Many restaurants. Just now the baozi I bought is delicious. I like it. And this street is totally under reconstruction. I can see. You can see the workers are very busy. Should be for the underground water system. Very busy. This is a very old street. Here are many old buildings. non-history I can see. With bad condition. I can see one place. There must be more young people. Then that place can be active. On this street, many stores empty or under recruitment. Hello, this is Ganzhou station. Now we are waiting for the high-speed train. We can have a look at the station. The train is entering the station. High-speed train is coming. 和谐号。
进得到哩。我还该去记两条牌，哪就问你。